Punta nga parang kasuko kag grupo dito. Grabe yan akong bata. Pwede ni daw sa ipait bisa sa. Punta ito ra ba rin niyarong susumana ba? Si kuan ang kontra kabang atong 1 win ba niya? 100 loss. Grabe yan niya. Oh. Imong tail ba imong tail ikang kang gamay. Para distansya gamay ba oh? Na fokus gid. Agak biha gid eh.
One minute, 37 seconds later.
Good evening, Las Vegas, Cantongao, Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go to our main event of this evening, and a million watching around the world. In the blue corner, wearing red black shoes, black jacket, and blue gloves, with 135 tons of kilo, and has undefeated record with 102 fights, 2 wins, and 100 losses. From PBO champion around the world, and the only 9 division champion from Cantibas, Nevada, Philippines, Sario Cabandonio. And the red corner wearing black brick with no garter and red gloves, with 136 tons of kilo and his professional bad record with 100 fights, 0 wins and 100 losses. And former PBO pound for pound king, the challenger of tonight, from Cantongao, Las Vegas, Philippines, Johnny the Warrior Senior. Let's get ready to the rumble.
Come. Okay, our schedule of our boxing is 2 rounds, 4 rounds. No hit this. Okay. Protect yourself at all times. Touch your grab. Music! One, two. Tay! Sama sa kamruk mag kuan kay kaning tipas kay naong yung musik mag. Pero nga gikuang yung lawas. Kanawan tiil ba kung liko guys to wala nang ihay ana. Abata. Sama ram ka sa training di ay. Pero nga gi. Supak ba yun? Kira, kumpati ba yun? Wait, pao ka nila! Asos, laban mo, trabil! Asos, trabil, gubul! Supak ako lagi, supak! Asos! Saka na! Balik! Jadi beban sekarang.